Hey there, pool owners. Ever spent a beautiful afternoon wrestling with a pool vacuum hose or skimming leaves when you'd rather be, well, swimming? We've all been there. Pool cleaning can be a real workout and not the fun kind. But what if you could ditch those manual cleaning struggles and let a robot handle the dirty work? Handle everything you hate doing around the pool. Well, meet the Spino E1, a cordless pool cleaning robot that's here to make your life easier. Now, this name is probably very new to you, and so you may be wondering who's behind this robot. And since there's no logo on the box, the team behind it is called Mammotion. And you would have seen their Luba robot lawnmowers on this channel quite a few times. And this is the Spino E1, their first foray into water robots. And that's why we're having a look at it today. I'm interested to see how well they're gonna do in this case. So let's jump in and talk Mammotion's first try at a robot pool cleaner. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started by rolling the intro. Their motto is pure pool, pure joy. A little bit cringy, but this little guy from testing so far does it all. As you can see, it's fully cordless, which means no tangled cables and no getting snagged on pool edges. Just charge it up, drop it, and one press of the button, there's only one button, is all it takes for the Spino E1 to start doing its thing in the pool. So what does it do exactly? Well, for starters, the Spino E1 cruises around every corner of your pool. Floors, walls, and even up to the stairs and waterline. Yes, you heard that right, it can climb your pool walls vertically, 90 degrees, like it's no big deal, to scrub off the grime along the edge of the tiles or even handle steps. It doesn't matter if your pool is concrete, fiberglass, vinyl, or tile, this robot has got the grip and smarts to clean it all. That means any shape too. Yep, not a problem at all. Rectangular, round, kidney shaped, or freeform. It's all the same for the Spino E1. It's built to cover pools of up to 1,600 square feet or around 150 square meters, so most home pools are well within this cleaning range. Now let's talk about power and performance. The Spino E1 packs a punch with 3 high-torque brushless motors, giving it a whopping 5,200 GPH suction rate. That means it can pump through over 5,000 gallons of water per hour. So it pulls in leaves, dirt, and gunk like a champ. Paired with its active scrubbing brushes and 11-inch PVC roller on the front, algae and stubborn dirt don't really stand a chance. And all the debris get trapped in a large 2.8 liter fine basket, which is fine enough to catch particles as small as 180 microns. Basically, it's grabbing even the tiny stuff that clouds your water. Less junk left floating around means a cleaner, healthier pool. And you won't have to empty the basket consistently thanks to that very generous size. But what about brain power? The Spino E1 isn't just bumping around randomly. It has SmartArc navigation systems and 12 built-in sensors guiding it. So the translation is, it plans efficient cleaning paths across your pool instead of wandering aimlessly. It knows where it's been and where it needs to go, ensuring precise, thorough coverage without wasting time and battery. And using the Spino E1 is a piece of cake too. Remember that one button operation? It's just that. Hit go and it'll start automatically the cleaning cycle you've chosen. But if you're feeling fancy or have specific needs, there are multiple cleaning modes that you can select with that single button. You can set it to focus only on the floors, for example, or just do the walls, or let it loose in auto mode to tackle everything. There is even an eco mode on the way via a software update. It's a lighter, energy-saving clean when your pool just needs a quick touch-up before a party. And speaking of updates, the Spino E1 supports over-the-air upgrades. Just connect it to the Mammotion app and you've got yourself a remote control, mode selection, and status info right on your phone. But honestly, you might not use the app much at all because it's pretty much autonomous. Now, battery life, crucial for any cordless gadget. The Spino E1 comes with a beefy 6,000 milliamp rechargeable battery
for up to 210 minutes of runtime, effortlessly covering up to 150 meter squared pools.
Now, when it's done or the battery is getting low, this robot has a clever trick up its sleeve. automatic surface parking. Essentially, it parks itself by the water surface or wall when it's ready to be pulled out. So you're not fishing around blindly trying to retrieve it. And don't worry, quick water release is built in. So as you lift the Spino E1 out of the pool, it rapidly drains the water from the inside. This makes for a much lighter handling of the robot, especially when you're trying to pull it out. You don't want to rake your back. So between cleaning sessions, recharging takes around 3 hours. Just plug it in, and by the time you're done with lunch or a nap, it's juiced up and ready for the next dive. This unit is rated IPX8 waterproof, fully submersible as you'd expect with an underwater robot, and the battery has double layer waterproofing protection for safety and of course longevity. The Spino E1 feels solid, weighs around 21 pounds, and it's built to handle the rigors of any type of pool. In this case, it's a concrete pool and it's been doing a fantastic job. Now, those wide 40mm rubber tracks it rolls on give it a tank-like traction on very slippery surfaces, so you can be confident it can traverse your pool floor and climb walls without losing grip, as far as I've tested it. So overall, the Mammotion Spino E1 is like your personal pool butler. It works so you don't have to. You can save time, avoid the backache, and spend more moments enjoying your really clean pool. Just imagine kicking back with a cold drink, probably a beer with this heat, while the robot quickly and efficiently scrubs away, knowing that when it's done, you'll have a crystal clean pool ready for the next swim or pool party. So I guess you can say pure pool, pure joy. Cringy, I like it though. All right, that's the scoop on the Spino E1 cordless pool cleaning robot. Big thanks to Mammotion for sponsoring this overview. Links below where you can get more information, of course, and where you can purchase it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in another one. Bye!